All right, so today I want to introduce you to the new standard for the Civics American Government course. It's Standard 18. And in Standard 18, the students kind of take a look at how American ideals are going to protect us against totalitarian governments. So specifically, it provides an overview of how certain principles of democracy are going to be a guard against the rise of totalitarian governments. It's going to review the major principles of American government, so you can draw back to those early standards in which you review limited government, popular sovereignty, consent of the governed, social contract, and republicanism, and kind of review those in a different light. If you look at substandard 18A, it's going to be an overview of the role of government in totalitarian systems to kind of give it something to compare to what we have in our democracy. In substandard B, it looks at how the power decision-making process varies between the democracy and totalitarian governments. It looks along that kind of citizen participation aspect from, in a pure democracy, you have complete participation, and in a totalitarian, you're going to have, all the way on the other side, you're going to have no citizen participation. And finally, in substandard C, you look at the difference between the rights and responsibilities of an American citizen in a democracy, such as free speech, jury duty, taxes, voting, that you would all get in democracy, and the lack of rights that you would see in a totalitarian government. I like this political cartoon down here that kind of goes, when you start censoring, which happens a lot in totalitarian governments, you kind of see a toppling of all these freedoms as well. So that is just part of what is included in the new standard. You can also find much more detailed information about how to teach it, what's in the standard in teacher notes that have been posted in Georgia Inspired.